In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear bumper on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Position yourself under the vehicle. Brush the grounding terminal's retaining bolt and spray it with penetrating oil, taking care to protect the power cables from splashes. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the retaining bolt. Remove the grounding terminals located on the subframe. Then unclip the clips holding the wiring harness. You can use a fork to help you. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab. You can now shift the harnesses. Now you need to unscrew the 6 rear bumper retaining bolts. Brush the rear bumper retaining bolts and spray them with penetrating oil. It is necessary to support the receiver hitch with a jack to prevent the bumper from falling. Using a ratchet and a long 21mm socket, unscrew the nuts holding the rear bumper. Then lower the jack slightly. You can now remove the rear bumper.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Insert the vehicle key into the lock on the rear bumper. Then remove the lock. Depending on what you want to replace, the number of parts need to be removed from the bumper. Remove the power connector from the hitch socket. Remove the hitch socket. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the socket. You can use a fork. Lift the sensor's locking tabs. Then remove the sensors with a fork. Then remove the supports. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Unclip the wiring harness from the metal bar. Remove the first license plate light bulb holder from the rear bumper. To remove the light bulb socket, pull it out. Do the same for the second license plate light bulb. Finish removing the harness and the parking assist sensors. You can order the rear bumper used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new rear bumper. Install the mounting brackets on the bumper. Then put the retainers back in place. Clip the sensor supports back. Then clip all the sensors back on. Reconnect the 2 power connectors to the license plate bulbs. Then clip all the wiring harness clips back on. Put the hitch socket back in place. Plug the electrical connector back in. Replace the lock. Then lock it. Put the rear bumper back in place. Using the jack, hold the new bumper. Then screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Once the bumper is in place and perfectly horizontal, tighten them until it makes contact with the ratchet. Remove the jack. Plug the electrical connector back in. Then clip all the wiring harness clips back on. Put the grounding terminals back. Then retighten the retaining bolt. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.